I said I be in my bag, ho. I talk my shit, don't mean to brag, though. And I see why these niggas mad, though. They say I'm an asshole, and I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho. I talk my shit because I gotta, mad because I gotta. I ain't even want it, so I treat it like an option. I just seen a lot of hate, but didn't even bother. Niggas gossiping like women, man. This shit was kinda awkward, man. They capping. This shit ain't a movie, why they acting? Thinking shit was sweet, just like some candy.
What's up, man? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7. How y'all doing out there, man? God bless y'all. God bless y'all. God bless y'all, man. I hope y'all doing good out there. You know what I mean? If not, pray. If y'all doing good, pray, man. For my new subscribers, was popping. And from the one that always been there since day one, man. Mad love, man. I appreciate it. We're gonna do a quick video. We're gonna be changing, the seat of my Lowrider bike to my original seat I had before, which was the white seat. I'm gonna change to that, and it's got a chain guard, and I'm gonna move some stuff around, like the antenna. I'm gonna put it in the back, so that's what we have right now. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So stay tuned, guys. So I got the seat out, the white seat out, which was the original seat. I got it out, so I'm gonna put it back on, and I got a new sissy bar that I'm gonna put back. I'm gonna put on, cause this one is already, it's okay, but I got a new one, so I'm gonna put that one on, and just have that one just for extra, just for laying around, whatever. But I'm installing the seat, a chain guard, and a new sissy bar. And putting the antenna in the back. That's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. So what I just did, I just took the old one off, and I'm about to install the new one that I have right here. Let's see. Show you with the Lowrider logo. See that? Not too much difference, you know what I mean? I like it like this. A newer one. This one's outdated a little bit. I mean, it has a little rust or whatever. You know what I mean? So I got the seat out. Taking it out right now. Pulling back the OG style, you know what I mean? Lowrider, OG seat. Alright, so I finally got all the pieces, installed that I needed. Let me know what y'all think. It took a little while. I had some, there's always something, always something that you run into, but I got it taken care of. I did what I had to do, but I'm gonna show y'all the end results of, what I put in. I really like the white seat, So good looking out everybody, for letting me know that the white seat was a better choice. I appreciate y'all, man, for real, man. Thank y'all. I hear y'all, and I see y'all. But here we go. Let's check it out. Alright, so I got the white seat on. You know what I mean? Chain guard on. And the antenna in the back. What y'all think? Oh, and then the new sissy bar. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, so I just want to thank y'all, for the love. I want to thank y'all for the comments. I want to thank y'all for the advice. Everything y'all throwing down at me, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for real. Keep praying, keep doing what y'all doing, keep building, keep living, keep riding, man. God bless y'all, man. Take care till the next video, man. Peace.